Be brighter. Be healthier. With the delicious, creamy, and refreshing smoothie made by the brand new 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐞 Kitchen Blender. Designed with unrivaled technology, yet more affordable than the leading industry competition, this restaurant-grade smoothie blender is the perfect tool to create a new you. Our patented carbon steel blade system offers the advantages of both blunt and sharp blades. The blunt side whips the ingredients, allowing the sharp side to cut precisely. The unique 8-degree angle of our blades is designed to boost the blending process, allowing you to make the best smoothies possible. With our unrivaled 39,000 RPM high-speed motor, the spin works in a fast and slow pattern to reach the maximum blending efficiency. Plus, with our square-designed pitcher, ingredients are rendered and pulled into a whirlpool of smooth textures. Choose the pre-programmed settings of beverages, puree, and grind to make an infinite number of delicious smoothies, milkshakes, soups, pureed dishes, and homemade baby food. Cleanup is a breeze with one touch. Our blender is designed with a zinc alloy die casting drive system, which increases stability for a relatively calm blending experience and a unique, compact, space-saving form. With an industry-high 10-year warranty and unparalleled affordability, our blender is the smart and effective choice to get the most out of your food. All of these features make the 𝐫𝐞𝐬𝐞𝐫𝐬 Kitchen Blender an incredible tool for homemade smoothies. So make the bright choice and join us on the path.
Great restaurant-like results of a professional-style fryer with the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry Immersion Element Deep Fryer. The housing is quality stainless steel, and dual baskets have a capacity of up to 12 cups of French fries. Cook extra-large batches or 2 foods at once. The 1800-watt immersion element provides quick preheating and fast oil temperature recovery. Just fill the Pro Fry with oil and plug in the magnetic cord. An adjustable thermostat assures easy selection of frying temperatures, and the signal light indicates when the oil is ready for frying. Oblong-shaped baskets are ideal for large pieces of fish or chicken, and the cover helps to reduce spattering when food is lowered into hot oil. Fry crisp, delicious appetizers, donuts, and onion rings quickly and easily. Making family-sized batches of food is a breeze, and cleanup is a snap. The baskets, cover, pot, and base are all fully immersible and dishwasher safe, while the heating element wipes clean. Storage is easy too. Simply flip back the handles on the baskets for convenient, compact storage. The stainless steel Dual Basket Pro Fry Immersion